Africa is currently undergoing a hidden revolution, and what more could be responsible for that? Cryptocurrency. Most importantly, Bitcoin. If you're a Bitcoin enthusiast, you've probably heard that Africa is the next big market for adoption. Google Trends data shows that Nigeria had the most Bitcoin searches in the past year, with South Africa and Kenya following close behind. Africa is embracing cryptocurrency at a rapid pace. As I mentioned earlier, people in Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa are leading the way, as they use cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and stablecoins more instead of traditional banking services. Cryptocurrencies are impacting African communities by giving people access to financial options they never had before. This is helping to level the economic playing field and help people in underserved markets succeed. Cryptocurrency adoption in Africa. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies started being adopted in Africa in 2014. Since then, the number of Bitcoin users and transactions has grown exponentially. Bitcoin has never been more popular in Africa than it is today. 2020 was a breakout year for Bitcoin on the continent, and it continues to thrive. Cryptocurrency adoption in Africa has been steadily growing, driven by financial inclusion, remittances, and the potential for economic empowerment. Several African countries have witnessed an increasing interest in cryptocurrencies. In Nigeria, for instance, the central bank once placed restrictions on traditional banking services for cryptocurrency-related transactions. The move was to discourage the use of digital currencies. However, the plan didn't work out. It rather led to a surge in peer-to-peer trading. This highlights the resilience and adaptability of the crypto community in navigating regulatory challenges. In countries with high remittance flows, such as Kenya, cryptocurrencies offer a more cost-effective and efficient means of transferring funds across borders, reducing reliance on traditional remittance services. Furthermore, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies aligns with the needs of individuals who may not have access to traditional banking services. It helps to foster financial inclusion and provide opportunities for economic participation. As the global cryptocurrency landscape evolves, Africa plays a significant role in shaping the future of digital finance on the continent. One of the reasons for cryptocurrency's rapid growth in Africa is partly because governments are not yet regulating it. However, it is unclear if governments will remain hands-off in the future. The Nigerian central bank recently admitted that it may not be able to regulate Bitcoin, just as it cannot regulate the internet. Cryptocurrency is excellent for Africans who do not have access to banks or who live in politically unstable countries. It can help to eliminate the delays and bureaucracy associated with traditional banking services. In the past year alone, 15 new cryptocurrency-related businesses have been launched in Africa. Luno Exchange, founded in Africa in 2013, is the first Africa-based cryptocurrency exchange. It now has over 1.5 million customers in over 40 countries. Other cryptocurrency businesses, such as remittance services, are also growing in Africa. These businesses offer a faster and cheaper way to send money than traditional remittance services. One example of a cryptocurrency-based business is the Plus application, a mobile app that enables farmers to manage their stock on the blockchain. Another example is BitPesa, a Kenyan company facilitating virtual remittance transfers to African and international locations. In December 2017, localbitcoins.com reported trading volumes of over $1.8 million in Kenya. This highlights the profitability of the cryptocurrency business in Africa. So, how's cryptocurrency adoption been in giant crypto countries in Africa? Cryptocurrency in Nigeria. Nigeria is one of the world's leading markets for cryptocurrency adoption. In 2023, it's estimated that over 22 million Nigerians, or 10.3% of the population, own cryptocurrency. This is more than any other country in Africa and makes Nigeria the sixth largest cryptocurrency market in the world. Several factors are driving Nigeria's high cryptocurrency adoption rate. One is the country's young population, over half of which is under 30. This demographic is more likely to be familiar with and open to new technologies such as cryptocurrency. Another factor is Nigeria's weak economy and unstable currency, the naira. Cryptocurrency offers Nigerians a way to store their wealth in a more stable asset and send and receive money internationally without having to go through the traditional banking system. In 2021, the Central Bank of Nigeria, or CBN, banned cryptocurrency trading by banks and other financial institutions. However, this ban has not stopped Nigerians from using cryptocurrency. Peer-to-peer trading platforms have become increasingly popular in Nigeria, allowing people to buy and sell cryptocurrency directly with each other. The Nigerian government has recently taken a more nuanced approach to cryptocurrency. In 2023, the government introduced a new law that taxes profits on digital assets, such as cryptocurrency. This suggests that the government is open to cryptocurrency but wants to regulate it more closely. Cryptocurrency in South Africa. Cryptocurrency adoption in South Africa is proliferating. According to a 2023 survey by AAA, an African cryptocurrency exchange, over 5.8 million South Africans, or 9.44% of the population, currently own cryptocurrency. This is up from an estimated 3.5 million in 2022. South Africa's relatively high level of internet penetration is one of the factors contributing to crypto adoption in the country. According to the World Bank, over 60% of South Africans have access to the internet. This makes it easy for South Africans to buy, sell, and use cryptocurrency. Like Nigeria, South Africa has a relatively young population. Over half of the South African population is under the age of 30. Younger people tend to accept the idea of cryptocurrency more. Furthermore, South Africa has many cryptocurrency-friendly businesses and organizations. For example, the South African Reserve Bank, or SARB, has announced that it is considering issuing its own central bank digital currency, or CBDC. This suggests that their government is not against cryptocurrency and would like to explore its potential benefits. Cryptocurrency in Kenya. Cryptocurrency adoption in Kenya is high, both in terms of ownership and usage. According to a 2023 survey by Chainalysis, Kenya is ranked 22nd globally in cryptocurrency adoption and first in Africa. According to a study, Kenya is the second largest market for peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading globally after Nigeria. Kenya has several cryptocurrency-friendly businesses and organizations. For example, the Kenyan government has announced that it's working on regulatory framework for cryptocurrency. This suggests that the Kenyan government, like the two mentioned countries, is exploring the possibility of including cryptocurrencies in their operations. Like the two countries mentioned earlier, Kenya has a very young population ready to adapt and adopt cryptocurrency in their day-to-day financial activities. Another factor for Kenya's adoption of cryptocurrency is a relatively high level of internet penetration. According to the World Bank, over 40% of Kenyans have access to the internet, although compared to the world, that's a low percentage. However, compared to some other African countries, Kenya is doing well regarding internet connectivity. This makes it easy for Kenyans to buy, sell, and use cryptocurrency. What's behind the cryptocurrency surge in Africa? Cryptocurrency is considered a crucial tool by some Africans for wealth preservation and accumulation. Blockchain facilitates cost-effective and secure money transfers for African diasporas, with crypto gaining popularity in local shops and markets. The increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies in countries like Nigeria drives more African businesses to embrace crypto payments. The attractiveness of crypto in Africa lies in its faster and more economical nature than traditional international money transfers. This results in Africans retaining a more significant portion of their money, avoiding hefty currency exchange rates, transfer fees, and other associated costs. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, eliminate the need for third-party intermediaries, allowing direct, low-fee transactions between individuals or companies without prolonged delays typical of traditional financial institutions. For small businesses and startups seeking to expand their customer base without additional resources or reliance on traditional banking, this peer-to-peer exchange model proves beneficial, keeping more funds within the African economic ecosystem. Cryptocurrency is ideal for situations where speed and cost savings are most important, but it also has other applications. Businesses can use crypto as an alternative payment method when traveling abroad or sending remittances through services like Western Union or MoneyGram. Despite the volatility of top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Africans continue to adopt crypto as inflation fluctuates. These coins have a relatively fixed supply and stable activity, making Bitcoin's inflation rate of 1.7% appear tame compared to the average 14.47% inflation rate seen in sub-Saharan Africa through 2022. The continued popularity of stablecoins like USDC and USDT also make crypto a more stable means of payment. African governments are split on crypto, with some adopting the technology and others imposing restrictions. Several African nations have introduced government-regulated digital currencies called central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, which help ensure safety and efficiency in financial transactions and promote compatibility and smooth transactions. However, almost 20% of sub-Saharan African countries have banned crypto assets. But why? Some African countries are concerned about the potential impact of crypto on their financial stability. Crypto is a volatile asset, and its price can fluctuate wildly. This could lead to instability in the financial system of a country if crypto becomes widely adopted. Crypto can be used to launder money and finance other criminal activity. This is because crypto transactions are complex to track. Some African countries are concerned that crypto could be used to support terrorism or other illegal activity. Crypto is a new and complex technology. Some African countries are concerned that consumers may not be aware of the risks involved in investing in crypto. They may also be concerned that consumers could be scammed by fraudulent crypto exchanges or wallets. Moreover, crypto is largely unregulated in Africa. This means that there is no government oversight of the crypto industry. This could lead to problems such as fraud and scams. Well, I guess you can see why some African countries are against cryptocurrency. However, we believe that with the proper orientation and education, they can change their minds, and the revolution would become so successful that it can't stay hidden. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.